enter the command that is sudo apt install OBS studio in your terminal, then enter your password and press enter. Now it will ask for permission to install, so press Y and click on enter. This will take about 136 MBs of storage, so you need to be connected to the internet and it could take some time as per your internet speed. This will download the packages and install the OBS studio. Once it is installed, then close the terminal, and now you could go to your OBS studio app, or you could also search for the OBS studio app. Now click on the icon. So you will be welcomed with this auto configuration wizard pop-up, and you could say no to this, but I would suggest that you set up this first. So click on yes. This will show you all the information, like what you need to use this screen recording for, like for screen recording or streaming. Now you could select whatever resolution you want, like my resolution is given 1366 into 768. You could select whatever resolutions that are mentioned in the given setup, so like 1920 into 1080 or 1280. So now select the FPS also, like 60 or 30 FPS, and once that's done, apply the settings. Now it will show you the final results for that. Now you could click on apply settings. Now go to the bottom left corner, where in the source section you will find a plus sign. Now click on that, and now you will go to, you could see many options given here. Now the one option we want is a screen capture. We will use this to capture our screen. Now click on that, and it will say whatever the name you want to create it for, so I'll leave it for the default. And you could also use server to like share the screen and all, but since we want to like capture it, and now you can resize it as you wish. Like I want to capture the whole screen. Now you could go to the settings, and in the output you could select the recording format as you wish, like the MKV is the default format. You could also set MP4. Now you could also select any directory, or you could create any directory where you want to store these screen recordings. So I'm creating this new directory with the name screen recording in my home folder. So once that's done, click on open, and that's your default location where all your recordings would be saved. Now you just need to like start recording and it will work fine. Thank you for watching.